Hey guys, we got mail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, first we're going to open this one. Man, that was hard. So, this is the bag where all the pieces are. Here are the instructions. Pretty cool design. And another bag. Let's see what we got in this bag.
Oh hell no!
One piece down, a lot more to go.
A few moments later.
Oh, well, looks like we got swoop. Try building it, see if we lose any pieces. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the crotch. Weird name. Let's move on to the arms. So I got this one. The rarity is 1 out of 9. It's not that rare. As you can see, you can also make a dino form of this build. And the name is Swoop. But just so you know, these are Blokees Transformers Galaxy versions. This is the 6th wave. And they're authentic, apparently. Remember, hit the like button and sub for more.